Hi, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative. Welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited to show you all my mini happy planner. Yes, she finally got her makeover. I recently moved back into this planner. I haven't used it for a while. I used to use it for everything, but she has new covers. This is the front and this is the back cover. And these covers are from the digital kit for this month that's in my shop. I'll probably do a separate video to show you the entire kit. But these are printable covers. So let's get started. Let me show you all of this. So in the inside cover, I just kind of decorated. This is from a sticker sheet from my shop, and this bow is from the digital, and this from my shop is from just a die cut set. Alright, so for my, what do you call this? I guess like a table of contents or whatever. Alright, so the reason I did this, the last time I used this planner, I had like all the sections labeled. And that does work easy, but I didn't want to do that yet because I am moving back into this, just moving back into this planner. So I know these sections will be changing and moving around, while I get back comfortable in this size. So for the first, this is just printed on vellum and laminated. And I wanted it so it could be see-through, and these are my 4 sections for now. So basically, if I need to change these sections, I just have to change this one sheet, and I don't have to change my entire setup. So I have that at the front. And then I have this DIY dashboard. There's a tutorial for this on my channel. But it's just a flip out dashboard, and it has spots for my sticky notes, page flags, random die cuts. It has some washi in there, some more stickers. So I have that right in front of my planner section. And some more die cuts from my shop. This from, I think it's called the Perfume in the Shoe Lover collection. And then I have my planner section. That's the first section. But before I do, let me show you this. I made this just to, I'm not sure if it'll sit in this section or if I'll move it to the back. But I made this with a die cut from that same digital, and I just printed it on vellum and laminated it. And I have some random little stickers and a die cut stuck in the back. These are some little donut stickers. I don't know where or how old. And I glued like a little piece of plastic on the back, and then I punched a piece of plastic with the happy planner punch and glued it right there. And I used this glue right here. I know you all have seen this glue before, but it is perfect for gluing like laminate and clear things because it dries clear. Like, it gives it this really nice clear finish to it. So let me leave this out because I don't know what section I'm going to put that in. So the first section is my planner, and I just labeled it on this piece of vellum. So if I change this section, I just have to redo this page or just pull this page out. And again, this paper is from the digital. I just printed it on cardstock, just regular plain cardstock, and laminated it. And the back, I made a pocket. I printed this one on vellum and laminated it, so it has a little pocket. And also made these fold over bowls. And this is a sticker sheet from that digital. And in my planner section, I have all of my blank inserts for the month. And this is the new insert that I'm trying, because I used to have the old one with those tiny little boxes. I'm over the tiny little boxes, so this is the new insert I'm trying. And then I have this daily page marker, and it is, I just laminated this die cut. Let me pull it out. So I guess I don't have to pull it out, but I'm so you can see it. It's just laminated, and I put today, but I can put like little sticky notes and things. And this can move around to mark which date I'm on in the planner. And that's all Oh, I do have, oh, let me show you. This is how this insert looks, kind of decorated. I think I used it once last month. And then this is how it looks, like decorated kind of over the top with my over the top style. So I was just kind of experimenting as I get back into this planner. Let me know if you like this minimal style or kind of the over the top look. Alright, and then this section, it's kind of still inside the planner section. This is my content section, and it has a top tab on it, and again, a piece of vellum in case I want to move this or change this around. This is printed on cardstock. This is another digital from the same collection. And then I decorated the back of this one with some die cuts from that digital. All of this is from there. And this is just printed on regular paper. And I think I'm going to use this like, I don't know, kind of like sticky notes. I'm going to print a bunch of them and just clip them in there. Then in the content section, all I have so far are just blank monthly calendars and some notes from last month. Alright, so this section is for my shop, and for this section I just glued my logo on a piece of vellum because I didn't know what to call. I don't know what to, I don't know, label it shop. I don't know. But I just glued my logo on there to label this section. And then for this pocket, again, I made a pocket with this laminated vellum, and I am really enjoying laminating vellum because you know how when you laminate cardstock and it is so thick, like the vellum doesn't get as thick. I don't know, I'm just really liking it. And I just have some stickers from my shop tucked in there just because there's a pocket and it needs stuff in it. And I have random stuff from my shop, kind of like my ideas while I'm putting together a collection and some other randomness. And then this section is my project section. And I didn't actually use the vellum, it's just in there. Because for this divider, it is laminated vellum, and it looked funny with the label on top of there and then vellum underneath. So I just put my alphas right onto there. And I kind of like that see-through effect. So in front of this section, this is just a little DIY dashboard, and there's a tutorial on this on my channel. But basically, this is just those nameplates from the Target dollar spot, and I just stuck them on and added a bunch of die cuts. Oh, and this is just something that I printed and laminated from Pinterest. And then I have my notes section. And my notes section is basically just empty. But again, I made another little pocket and stuck some random stuff in there for now. And the last section is notes. And I just stuck this die cut in there. And it's just blank paper. So that is it for my setup. Stay tuned because I would be doing lots of playing with me's in this planner. So stay tuned for this playing with me. I hope you like my setup, and I will see you in my next video.